AI might be the reason you didn't get that job. My name is Kyra Fontenot. I'm an employment lawyer, and there's a massive lawsuit happening right now that you need to know about. The lawsuit circles around a man who applied for hundreds of jobs over several years, and he got rejected every single time. He was qualified for every role, but didn't even get interviews. Turns out all those companies were using the same AI hiring software to screen candidates, and that software was allegedly discriminated against him because of his race, his age, and his disability. Now, this case just got certified as a nationwide class action, and millions of job applicants could be affected. Here's what's terrifying. Many of the Fortune 500 companies use these AI screening tools. You submit your resume, and before a human ever sees it, an algorithm decides if you're worthy. And studies are showing these systems are biased. One study found AI screening tools favored white associated names 85% of the time. In some cases, Black applicants were disadvantaged 100% of the time compared to white applicants with the same qualifications. The AI learns from old hiring data, and if that old data was biased, which in some cases it was, the AI just keeps repeating those same patterns of discrimination. Except now it's doing it faster and at massive scale. So if you've been applying to jobs and you're qualified and you keep getting rejected instantly without any explanation, it might not be you, it might be their AI tools. And yes, you can still sue. The law doesn't care if a human discriminated against you or a machine did. Discrimination is discrimination. Drop your questions in the comments below so I can answer them in future videos.